What up, guys? Today, more crypto news. We're talking about unmineable.com. This is a website you can go to and you can mine cryptocurrency using your graphics card, or here, like in this video, we're going to use our CPU because we are using a Mac. So today we're going to mine crypto with an iMac. We're going to CPU. Let's get into it. Let's go right to the website. Now, unmineable.com is the name of the website, and you can do this on a PC, but today, again, specifically on a Mac, and this Mac is an older one. This is from 2013, a 27-inch iMac, and we are going to CPU mine on here. I'm going to walk you through how to do that. It is so easy and very simple. So if you have a Mac laying around and you want to start making passive income, this is a good way to start. So a bunch of coins that you are able to mine. You can see here a list, and they do constantly add more coins. So PancakeSwap, Crypto.com, Dogecoin, Matic, all of these were just added recently, as you can see over here. Saitama Inu, SafeMoon, Shiba Inu, Solana, 1-inch basic attention token, the BAT token, Brand Protocol, Cosmos, again, a ton of different coins, Bitcoin, all kinds of things. So today we are going to mine some Shiba Inu. Now, what you need to do, very simple, is you click on Start, and there are options up here. So you are able to mine with your graphics card, and the ETH hash one, you need specific amount of RAM to use that, or you can use this one, a little less RAM, Kapow, 3 gigs of RAM, so you can mine with your graphics card that way. But today we're going to use Random X, and we are going to CPU mine. Now, all you need to do is download this miner. So here are some links here that you can just start downloading the mining files. Now, once you find it for Mac, which is down here, Mac OS, you're going to download it. Once you download it, all you need to do is find your downloads. So we're going to go into our downloads, and we scroll down. Of course, I've already been using this, but you can see XMRig is right here. So if we click on that, you can see there's a configure file, and then you actually have the miner here, which is actually right here, and it is mining right now and mining Shiba. So all you need to do is you need to double click on this configure file, and once you go in here, you're going to scroll down to one specific point, and that will be right here. Let me zoom in so you can see that. We're going to want to zoom in here. And very simple. All you need to do is find this section in the configure file. And you see here the URL, rxunmineable.com. You're going to leave that alone. But right underneath that, this is the important part. So SHIB. That's all you need to put. There's going to be 4 letters there. You're going to change that to all caps SHIB. And this is specifically for mining Shiba. If you were mining Elon, you would put ELON for Elon, and it explains it on Unmineable what you need to put in there to get it to work. So SHIB in caps right there, then the 2 dots, then this is your wallet address. This is my wallet address, so everything I mine is being sent whenever I get a payout directly to that wallet. And then you could just name it whatever you want at the end. And then you got to go up here, click Save, and it will save it. And then you're going to double click. Let's close this so you guys can see. We'll terminate that. Once that is in there, you're going to go to XMRig. You're going to double click on XMRig, and it is going to start mining Shiba for you. Now, once it starts mining, all you need to do is go back. So say we go back to Unmineable and we look at the coins. Just click on Shiba Inu. And the way you know that it is working is you just put your address in here. So let's put my address in here. I do have to get my address. So I'm going to go back to the configure file in my download section, and we will get the address here. We'll copy and paste my address. And then you paste it into that section on Unmineable, and it takes you into a section of the website where you're able to see how much you're earning, what you're mining. So we'll copy that, close that out, close this out, come back here, we'll paste our address in, and you click on the search bar, and it takes you here, and it shows you your current hash rate, whatever it may be, how many workers you have going. So you can see just on this iMac, I am running and mining Shiba. And you can see I've already mined a lot of Shiba, right? So 153,103 Shiba I have already mined. Now, it's going to take a while. Your payout on here is 5 million before Shiba is going to give you a payout. So just be aware, it might take a little bit of time, especially if you are CPU mining, and there is a 1% mining fee. Now, you can lower the fee. They do have referrals on unmineable, and if we go back to start, you can see down here, if you have a referral code, you can lower your mining fee to 0.75%, so you can earn a little bit more, and you can get your own referral code just by clicking on here, and then you paste it, whatever, to your friends, send it to your friends who are going to use this, post it on Twitter, on your social media, wherever, and then you can get a little discount when you get your payout and just earn a little more money. So all of the coins on here, you are going to be able to just mine any of these. And again, some of the ones that cost a little more money are going to take a little bit longer. Now, if you have a graphics card and you are using a PC, you might want to do that way, or, again, 1% fee. It's kind of high, right? But this is an option out there for you to start mining cryptocurrency. So we're going to mine Shiba, and we'll see. I'll drop a video. I'll watch how long this takes. I do have 2 other iMacs that I am going to turn on and mine Shiba, CPU mine with this, and we'll see how long it actually takes to get a payout. And then I'll drop a video on that soon. But that's it, guys. Just a quick video showing you how to CPU mine on a Mac. That's it. I'll be back soon, guys. Enjoy your week. Stay safe out there. Peace.